My friend lost over $10,000. You know how? He freaking bought a brand new Nissan Versa and said, I'm driving up to San Francisco. I'm gonna live in my car and I'm gonna make 10 grand a month doing Uber. And what did he do? He drove up, did Uber all the time, Uber and Lyft, and guess what happened 2 months later? He came back down with a broken down car. Uber and Lyft are scamming you guys. It's good for quick cash. I wouldn't recommend doing Uber or Lyft for the long term. It's a good side hustle if you're trying to get cash within the next week and do something quick and you're already driving to a destination and it's on your way. But aside from that, if you're gonna buy a car just to drive other people around, especially drunk people at night when the hot rate's going on, just to get vomit in your car, just to waste your brakes, your tires, your oil, your engine, the entire car is being used, your transmission. You don't realize that over the long run, you've wasted your car. And what happened with my friend is his brand new Versa, Nissan, right? He used it up so much that by the end of it, his transmission was all botchy. I remember being in his car and we were driving and then I was like, dude, what was that? And he's like, what? And the car just went and this is a brand new 2016 at the time. This was the year that he was doing Uber. And I said, dude, your transmission's already blowing out. Is it? No. But anyway, long story short, a couple months later, he has to give the car back to the dealership because he can't afford to make payments because the repairs are so expensive on the car. If you guys are smart, do not use a car. Do not, like, you're using your own car to do Uber and Lyft. They're like a mafia. What people don't realize is that they're taking advantage of you, your car, your belongings. You're at risk. Not only are you wasting your car, if you get into an accident, you're the one who got in a crash. You have to deal with it with your insurance. You're liable. You're risking yourself and your car. Sorry, I am not with Uber. I am not with Lyft. Anyone that tells you do Uber or Lyft as a side income, just slap them right in the face. Give them this video and tell them, boom, take this slap right in the face. It is not true. I don't want you guys to fall for that trap. Do not do that. So in this video, I want to go over 3 side incomes you can do that do not require using your own resources. And if you're completely bored and have free time, you can do this. So the first one's going to be affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's by sending a link out to another product that you're sponsoring and you get a commission off of it. Just like if you worked a job doing sales, if you worked at a dealership and you're selling a car, you get a piece of that commission once they sell the car and you get some change out of that. Same thing with online. There's so many online courses on how to cook a steak. Well, I don't know. I think we all know how to cook a steak. Or, you know, cook a steak or fly a kite or build a boat. Random courses that you can get the link to, get the affiliate link to by going to clickbank.com. That's one of the affiliate places. Get that link, and then what you do is you go and advertise it to other people, but you have to be wise about how you advertise it. You can go to others that have huge email lists. They'll charge you about 20 cents to $1 per email click based on who it is. I'm going to leave a link to that site as well. And what you essentially do is get that email out, create a landing page on builderall.com or whatever website you want to use. I'm just saying Builderall because that's what I've used. Create your affiliate link, create the landing page. So when people land on the page, the first thing they do is leave their email in and say, I'm going to give you a free 5-step PDF to do XYZ. If you ever noticed, you watch videos, people say, leave your link in the description below, free ebook or free whatever. It's because they're taking down your email and they're going to retarget you later. Because now that you have this list of emails that people have entered their emails, you send them blog posts or whatever you want to write in a couple emails, giving them some value here and there. And then by the 4th email, they link a product like, hey, check this out if you want to actually learn how to cook pasta. And the other previous 3 emails were all about different types of pastas, getting you all excited about it. And then the 4th one is, here's a course on how to cook the perfect pasta. And then boom, you click it and now you're in this affiliate landing page, this whole video that's hooking you in like, oh shoot, I gotta buy this book, I need to know how to make this pasta. Well, you guys can learn how to do all that. That's one way to make money online. All right, you don't have to step in a car, waste your own car and gas and risk crashing for some other company like Uber when you can sit at home and make the money you want. A second way is by being a freelancer. I'm sure if you're watching this, you've got some sort of skill. Did you go to school and get a degree in something? Or do your friends tell you you're really good at this one thing that others aren't? Can you draw really well? Are you good with CS5 computer Photoshop editing? If you have any of these skills, you can go on sites like upwork.com and you can go on there, create a listing for yourself so people will go to you and ask you, oh, I need to get a cover art done for my album. them, and then you can create a cover art, send it to them, and charge a certain fee. Or people who make ebooks hire ghostwriters. If you're completely broke and you got free time, you can write that book out for them. And then what's crazy is you don't have to be that great. I mean, you just have to be decent. If you can write out an essay, if you've ever done that for school, you're good enough to write out a book. Just crank out 50 pages of whatever subject it is. Obviously, pick a subject you're knowledgeable in. So if your friends say, dude, you know everything about fitness, this is my guy I go to for fitness advice, then write a fitness book. That's a way. In fact, create an ebook. And actually, I want to leave a link to these guys. They're called the Mikkelsen twins, Christian and Rasmus. These guys know everything about audiobooks, PDFs, ebooks. These guys are the thumbs up. Go to their channel, subscribe to them. These guys will show you how to make money. I mean, these guys are the bosses when it comes to audiobooks, and that's the second best way to make money online. I'm telling you, go see these guys, check them out, link in the description. These guys are awesome. And the third way is by selling things online on places like eBay or Amazon. And this isn't FBA, which you could do, which is white labeling a product, and that's a whole separate video, and there's so many channels on this. You can just look it up, type in Amazon FBA. If you guys actually want me to make a video, comment down below. But basically, you can buy anything or look through your room, anywhere in your house, or wherever you live, any extra thing that's just holding you down and you don't need, post it on eBay or Amazon and sell it, or Craigslist, and just get rid of it and start getting some cash, because those things are just taking up space and are useless. There's a book I read about minimalism. I don't know the title off the top of my head, but I'll leave a link in the description below. But being more minimalistic frees your mind, because you don't have to worry about all these things. You know how they say, you don't own everything. Everything you have owns you. Well, you don't want to be in that situation. So get rid of all the junk you don't use. Go to your closet. If there's clothes you haven't worn in over a year, it's time to get rid of it. Sorry, that cool jacket that's sitting in the corner collecting dust, I know you're not going to wear it. So just get rid of it. Keep it very minimal. Get rid of all the junk. Also, I forgot to mention in the beginning, Postmates, where you deliver food. Same thing. You're using your own car, your own energy to go and deliver this food, when there's much more efficient ways to make money now. Don't forget the 3 ways to make money online, which is affiliate marketing, ebooks and audiobooks, linked to the Mikkelsen twins below, and arbitrage, selling all the extra items you don't need on eBay or Amazon, or buying things for cheap and reselling them for more. If you guys haven't already, watch my video on how I make $10,000 per month, where I explain how I make this money by selling cars. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Hit that notification bell so you know when they come out. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about anything I said. I respond to every single comment, and see you guys in the next one.